ServSafe Practice Test 40 questions answers for food handler, ServSafe Manager, alcohol and allergens exam preparation. Question 1. What should a food service operator do when responding to a foodborne illness outbreak? A. Notify the media. B. Segregate the product. C. Close the operation for the day. D. Ask customers for the proof of their symptoms. Answer B. Question 2. Which group of individuals has a higher risk of foodborne illness? A. Teenagers. B. Elderly people. C. Women. D. Vegetarians. Answer B. Question 3. What can a food handler with a sore throat and a fever return to work with or around food? A. The fever is gone for 24 hours. B. The sore throat is gone. C. A written medical release is provided. D. No symptoms are experienced for 24 hours. Answer C. Question 4. Parasites are commonly associated with A. Seafood. B. Eggs. C. Potatoes. D. Ready-to-eat food. Answer A. Question 5. Where should staff members eat, drink, smoke, or chew gum? A. Where customers eat. B. In dishwashing areas. C. Outside the kitchen door. D. In designated areas. Answer D. Question 6. Seawater toxin is commonly found in A. Amberjack. B. Pollock. C. Tuna. D. Cod. Answer A. Question 7. What is a basic characteristic of a virus? A. Destroyed by cooking. B. Grows in food. C. Requires a living host to grow. D. Commonly found in cattle intestines. View correct answer. Answer C. Question 8. Which is TCS food? A. Saltines. B. Bananas. C. Baked potato. D. Coffee. Answer C. Question 9. What is the most likely cause of wheezing and hives? A. Food allergies. B. Norovirus. C. Shigella spp. D. Hepatitis A. Answer A. Question 10. Metal shavings are which type of contaminant? A. Biological. B. Physical. C. Chemical. D. Microbial. Answer B. Question 11. What food safety practice can prevent cross-contact? A. Using only food-grade equipment. B. Washing, rinsing, and sanitizing utensils before each use. C. Keeping food frozen until use. D. Purchasing food from approved, reputable suppliers. Answer B.
Question 12. What should food service operators do to prevent the spread of hepatitis A? A. Cook food to minimum internal temperatures. B. Freeze fish for 36 hours before serving. C. Exclude staff with jaundice from the operation. D. Purchase mushrooms from approved reputable suppliers.
Answer C.
Question 13. What type of thermocouple probe should be used to take the internal temperature of a beef roast? A. Air. B. Surface. C. Immersion. D. Penetration.
Answer D.
Question 14. To wash hands correctly, a food handler must first A. Apply soap. B. Wet hands and arms. C. Scrub hands and arms vigorously. D. Use a single-use paper towel to dry hands.
Answer B.
Question 15. What is the third step in cleaning and sanitizing items in the three-compartment sink? A. Sanitizing. B. Air drying. C. Rinsing. D. Washing.
Answer C.
Question 16. What should food service operators do to prevent customer illness from Shigella SPP? A. Freeze food at temperatures below 0 degrees. B. Exclude food handlers diagnosed with jaundice. C. Purchase shellfish from approved suppliers. D. Control flies inside and outside the operation.
Answer D.
Question 17. If a food contact surface is in constant use, how often should it be cleaned and sanitized? A. Every 2 hours. B. Every 4 hours. C. Every 6 hours. D. Every 8 hours.
Answer B.
Question 18. What must a food handler with a hand wound do to safely work with food? A. Bandage the wound with an impermeable cover and wear a single-use glove. B. Bandage the wound and avoid contact with food for the rest of the shift. C. Wash the wound and wear a single-use glove. D. Apply iodine solution and a permeable bandage.
Answer A.
Question 19. What is the minimum time an iodine sanitizer solution must be in contact with the object being sanitized? A. 15 seconds. B. 30 seconds. C. 45 seconds. D. 60 seconds.
Answer B.
Question 20. What item is considered acceptable work attire for a food handler? A. False eyelashes. B. Nail polish. C. Plain band ring. D. Antimicrobial plastic watch band.
Answer C.
Question 21. What is the final step in cleaning and sanitizing a prep table? A. Sanitizing the surface. B. Allowing the surface to air dry. C. Washing the surface. D. Rinsing the surface.
Answer B.
Question 22. What task requires food handlers to wash their hands before and after doing it? A. Taking out garbage. B. Touching clothing or aprons. C. Handling raw meat, poultry, or seafood. D. Using chemicals that might affect food safety.
Answer C.
Question 23. What HACCP principle is being practiced when food handlers re-wash melons that have surface dirt? A. Monitoring. B. Corrective action. C. Critical limit. D. Critical control point.
Answer B.
Question 24. Which action requires a food handler to change gloves? A. The food handler is working with raw seafood at temperatures above 41 degrees F. B. The food handler is prepping raw chicken on a yellow cutting board. C. The food handler has been working with raw ground beef for an hour. D. The food handler is wearing gloves that have been torn.
Answer D.
Question 25. What is the minimum water temperature required when using hot water to sanitize objects? A. 171 degrees F, 77 degrees C. B. 173 degrees F, 78 degrees C. C. 176 degrees F, 80 degrees C. D. 179 degrees F, 81 degrees C.
Answer A.
Question 26. How should the temperature of a shipment of cottage cheese be taken when it arrives at an operation? A. Use an air probe to check the temperature of the delivery truck. B. Hold an infrared thermometer to the outside of the case or carton. C. Place the thermometer steam between shipping boxes for reading. D. Place the thermometer steam into an opened container.
Answer D. Question 27. What is the purpose of setting critical limits in a HACCP plan? A. To identify potential hazards. B. To identify where hazards can be eliminated. C. To reduce hazards to safe levels. D. To determine if the HACCP plan is working. Answer C. Question 28. When should a shipment of fresh chicken be rejected? A. The flesh of the chicken appears moist. B. Shell shock identifications tags are not attached to the container. C. The flesh of the chicken is firm and springs back when touched. D. The receiving temperature is 50 degrees F, 10 degrees C. Answer D. Question 29. Which food may be reserved to customers? A. Unused, uncovered condiments. B. Uneaten bread. C. Unopened pre-packaged food. D. Unused whole fruit garnish. Answer C. Question 30. Where should ground fish be stored in a cooler? A. Above shellfish. B. Below ground poultry. C. Above ready-to-eat food. D. Below pork roast. Answer D. Question 31. Hot TCS food can be held without temperature control for a maximum of A. 2 hours, B. 4 hours, C. 6 hours, D. 8 hours. Answer B. Question 32. What is the maximum number of days that ready-to-eat food prepared on site can be stored if held at 41 degrees F, 5 degrees C? A. 3 days. B. 5 days. C. 7 days. D. 10 days. Answer C. Question 33. Food held at 41 degrees F, 5 degrees C, or lower before being removed from refrigeration can be held without temperature control for up to how many hours? A. 2. B. 4. C. 6. D. 8. Answer C. Question 34. How should a fresh beef roast, fresh halibut, lettuce, and a pan of ground chicken be stored in a cooler in top to bottom order? A. Lettuce, fresh beef roast, ground chicken, fresh halibut. B. Lettuce, fresh halibut, fresh beef roast, ground chicken. C. Fresh halibut, lettuce, ground chicken, fresh beef roast. D. Fresh halibut, fresh beef roast, ground chicken, lettuce. Answer B. Question 35. When partial cooking food to be finished later, what is the maximum cooking time allowed during initial cooking? A. 60 minutes. B. 45 minutes. C. 30 minutes. D. 15 minutes. Answer A. Question 36. What organization requires material safety data sheets? A. Food and Drug Administration. B. Occupational Safety and Health Administration. C. Environmental Protection Agency. D. National Restaurant Association. Answer B. Question 37. What method should never be used to thaw food? A. Place the item in a cooler. B. Place the item on a prep counter. C. Microwave the item. D. Cook the item. Answer B. Question 38. What is the minimum internal cooking temperature for green beans that are hot held for service? A. 165 degrees F, 74 degrees C. B. 155 degrees F, 68 degrees C. C. 145 degrees F, 63 degrees C, D. 135 degrees F, 57 degrees C. Answer D. Question 39. TCS food reheated for hot holding must reach what temperature? A. 135 degrees, 57 degrees C for 15 seconds. B. 145 degrees, 63 degrees C for 15 seconds. C. 155 degree, 68 degrees C for 15 seconds. D. 165 degrees, 74 degrees C for 15 seconds. Answer D. Question 40. What food item does the Food and Drug Administration advise against offering on a children's menu? A. Rare cheeseburgers. B. Egg salad. C. Peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. D. Fried shrimp. Answer A. Thank you for watching.